Let me tell you a real customer story to better understand this dangerous CSP limitation and its solution. The real customer name is not shared here. This is a story of a business-critical manufacturing app. Let's call it Alexa. Alexa caused major headlines and bad press for the Shoes for Good manufacturing company recently. Unfortunately, few people were fired too. But why? Well, Alexa manufacturing app had a higher chance of getting compromised anyways due to a security flaw in their design. Let me explain it. Alexa needed to frequently access a partner pricing service over the internet for up-to-date pricing data. The team relied on the public cloud provider NAT gateway to protect outbound internet egress traffic. That is really bad design. CSP NAT gateway is not a security service or security device. It just translates internal private IP to a public IP address. With CSP NAT gateway, internet is wide open for data exfiltration, ransomware, and malware attacks. CSP NAT gateways are expensive too. You pay 24/7 even if you don't use it, plus you pay per gigabit charges. It is impossible to predict or budget for NAT gateways cost upfront. Your apps need internet egress access. That's given. They download security patches, software updates, GitHub code, and for API access, etc. But due to lack of security controls with NAT gateway, the Alexa app downloaded compromised data from the wild internet. The CSP NAT gateway also does not provide deeper visibility and audit capability, so no one was aware of data exfiltration. So, what could have prevented this breach? Squid proxy type tool? Not really. Squid proxy is open source, with no enterprise support, difficult to manage and scale. How about a hardware vendor firewall virtual machine? Well, they are very expensive, bulky, and not cloud savvy. What is the solution then? The bottom line is that customers with single cloud or multi-cloud need a cloud agnostic, secure, and cost-effective solution. And this is where Aviatrix Cloud Firewall is helping a lot of customers solve this pain point. Aviatrix Cloud Firewall gateways are in the data path and are deployed in a highly available fashion across availability zones. These gateways protect your organization's internet egress traffic using Layer 7 policy-based filtering controls. They provide granular control over the outbound traffic from your cloud resources. The biggest plus point is that Aviatrix gateways do not charge based on data throughput. Aviatrix flat rate billing eliminates throughput-based costs and helps manage cloud egress expenses. Customers save, on average, 25% over cloud provider native NAT gateways. So no more surprise billing. Customers can create zero trust security policies and protect against malware, ransomware, data exfiltration, etc. It is a cloud agnostic solution with feature parity across multiple cloud providers. A CSP NAT gateway alone cannot provide these combined functionalities. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to see a demo, please contact us at info@aviatrix.com.